Johnny Tomato here to introduce the Amyet G60 from Amazon. List price $4.99. It's an electric bike that goes 32 miles an hour. Let's turn it on and check it out. And it's got 5 speeds here. Very nice screen. Very easy interface to use. Woo! And you can hear it go. It takes off quick and goes fast. You can ride nearly with traffic. It has signals, brake lights, and a nice little horn. That thing stands, but it comes 90% put together, and then you just got to slap on the battery, put on the tires, put on the handlebars, headlight, charges in 4 hours, and goes 70 miles on one charge.